Today we're going to explore the iconic Dover Castle, located in Kent, England. This foreboding castle has everything that a castle should and more. Its thick, impenetrable walls, dark corridors, and cliffside location make it a quintessential and almost storybook-like destination. And this castle is one of the largest and oldest castles in England and the world.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Project Gaia, and today we are doing a special on Dover Castle, which is behind me. Now, Dover Castle is the second largest castle in England, right? And it is built on a high hill, and it looks over the ocean, out into the English Channel, over to France, and it really is what you think of when you think of a big foreboding castle. So we're going to do on this tour is we're going to go through the castle, and we're going to learn all about its history and what makes this castle so important for English heritage.
The castle dates back to about 1066 when it was commissioned by William the Conqueror as a symbol of Norman power in England. Surrounding the castle is a series of other outbuildings, but the most amazing piece within the complex is the castle's keep, referred to as the Great Tower. You first enter the castle along a long stone stairwell, where there is then a couple of rooms that served as a sort of foyer where guests and knights could store their belongings and equipment before entering into the formal space. Check out this almost 1,000-year-old well that was used to bring water into the castle. Religion was of vital importance to the lives of medieval people, and there are two chapels within Dover Castle. This one is still consecrated and can be used for religious practice. We're now entering the guest chambers. This attractive room, where you can still see the soot from centuries of a roaring fire, was where the king's entourage would sleep and hang out. The castle has a lot of hidden chambers, adding to its mysterious allure. Check out this medieval stairwell where you have to go down to go up. We are now heading to the roof of the Great Tower. From the roof, you can see for miles and the beautiful countryside below, out into the English Channel and across to France. The castle's commanding views of the coastline make it a formidable fortress and said to nearby France and others that this is England. You're entering our territory, and we are a force to be reckoned with. In Dover Castle, you can eerily feel the energy of the past around you. Even here with the soot of centuries of fires, I can almost smell the smoke and hear the laughter of the medieval court. Take a look at the castle's medieval kitchen area. Here they have recreated what historians believe it would have looked like with hanging meat and cauldron-like cooking pots. Remember, the king traveled with a large court, and the staff would have to feed up to 100 people and more. On the grounds of Dover Castle sits a Roman lighthouse far exceeding the construction of the castle from around 130 AD when the Romans occupied Britain. This lighthouse was used to guide Roman ships through the English Channel and is one of the most, if not the most, intact structure of the Roman world in Britain. I hope you've enjoyed this journey, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe if you haven't already, like and share this video with your family and friends, and leave me your comments or questions below. Until next time, take care.